Hey guys, so this is my second video on Adirondacks, and if you haven't seen the first one, that was on Audible Chasm, so definitely check that out. I really enjoyed that one, and my next one, this video, is gonna be on the Wild Center, where I didn't expect much out of that day. I didn't think it would be that chill, but then it was really nice. Like, it was really chill. I was surprised by the amount of things we got up to, from canoeing through the Raquette Lake. What's the lake called again?
Huh?
What's the lake called? The lake?
No, it's Raquette River.
So Raquette River. Oh, river. It's not a lake. It's a river. And also, I love the little aquarium they had there, where I just spent way too long looking at an otter swim over and over and over and over and over again. And it was just like, it was fascinating. It was like a very small aquarium where it can go into its own home and come out and come swim. And it just kept on swimming laps and over. It was just like, okay, I'll spend my entire day watching you, run laps. Why not? What else? I enjoyed walking that's like bridgeway path, where you can see like a bird's eye view of different things around the center itself. You can see like, ooh, look at it. Oh wow, shit. And yeah, and that was pretty chill. So I would definitely recommend for families, for anybody actually, if you have the time, if you're upstate New York and you're in that neighborhood, definitely check out the Wild Center. Just plan maybe 4 or 5 hours to spend over there, because I would give it about an hour to go canoeing at your own pace. They don't really rush the experience, so it's a pretty chill time to be had over there. And if you're lucky like we were, where the weather is just perfect, you can spend time just canoeing slowly and just taking in the view and relaxing. I really enjoyed my time there. I was surprised by everything that happened, because I just thought, Wild Center, what would they have to offer? And it was pretty good in my opinion. So definitely I would recommend this spot. So if you have the time, definitely go there. Ciao.
Yay, New York!
Woo!